Have you ever wished you could simply toss your cash into your phone like a magical piggy bank? Well, today, we're diving deep into the world of Stash and exploring whether you can truly deposit cash directly into your account. Imagine this, you just got a big cash windfall. You want to invest it immediately, but you're not comfortable with online transfers or the hassle of going to a bank. Wouldn't it be great if you could just slip that cash into your phone and watch it grow? Stash has revolutionized the way we invest, making it accessible and affordable for everyone. But can this app handle your cold, hard cash? Let's find out. Understanding Stash. Before we dive into the cash deposit question, let's quickly recap what Stash is. It's a popular investment app that allows you to invest in stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares. You can set up automatic investments, contribute to retirement accounts, and even build custom portfolios. Cash deposit methods. Now, the burning question, can you deposit cash directly into Stash? Unfortunately, the answer is no. Stash doesn't have the infrastructure to accept physical cash deposits. Alternative methods. While Stash doesn't accept cash directly, there are a few alternative methods you can use to fund your account. Bank transfer. This is the most common method. You can transfer funds from your bank account to Stash using your bank's online or mobile app. ACH transfer. Similar to a bank transfer, an ACH transfer is an electronic transfer between banks. Check deposit. Some banks allow you to deposit a check using your phone's camera. Once the check clears, the funds will be transferred to Stash. Advantages and disadvantages of different methods. Let's weigh the pros and cons of each method. Bank transfer. Pros: easy to set up, usually instant or same-day transfers. Cons: may incur fees from your bank. ACH transfer. Pros: often free, can be set up as recurring transfers. Cons: may take a few business days to process. Check deposit. Pros: convenient if you have a check. Cons: may take a few days to clear, and some banks may charge fees. Additional considerations. When choosing a funding method, consider factors like asterisk. Speed: how quickly do you need the funds to be available in your Stash account? Fees: are there any associated fees from your bank or Stash? Convenience: which method is easiest for you to use? While Stash doesn't accept cash directly, there are several convenient and efficient ways to fund your account. By understanding the available options, you can choose the method that best suits your needs and start investing with Stash. So, there you have it. You can't toss your cash into your phone and watch it magically appear in your Stash account. But with the alternative methods we've discussed, funding your Stash account is still a breeze. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.